Carl Pei, co-founder of OnePlus, shocked the globe by announcing his resignation from the company. He announced a formation of his own corporation, which he is calling Nothing. Nothing has revealed a few specifics about its most anticipated smartphone, the Nothing Phone 1, including the fact that it will support wireless charging, have a transparent back, and have a frame built from recyclable aluminum. According to the latest rumor, the phone will be available for purchase on July 21st. Nothing has also announced that the Nothing Phone 1 would get 3 Android software updates as well as 4 years' worth of security updates. There has also been speculation over the cost of the smartphone. The Nothing Phone 1 is anticipated to debut as a device that falls somewhere in the middle of the price spectrum. Per the rumor, the price of the smartphone may be anywhere around €500, roughly Rs. 41,400. At this point in time, details on the device's color options, as well as its RAM and storage settings, remain unknown. Separately, Carl Pei has suggested in a recent tweet that the Nothing Phone 1 may come with super fast charging when it is released. It is anticipated that the phone would feature a casing that is transparent, similar to the Nothing Ear 1 truly wireless earphones. This will allow the user to see the inside components. All that we are aware of with regard to the phone's other features is the fact that Nothing has acquired Andy Rubin's Essential brand. As for the chipset, there's a possibility that it will integrate the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor. In addition to its triple camera setup, which includes a 64-megapixel sensor, the Nothing Phone 1 is expected to debut with a 6.43-inch screen and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Otherwise, the new smartphone will run the Android 12 operating system, which is based on Nothing OS. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.